Around the World is a casual basketball game played with any number of players. You can even play it by yourself to test your shooting skills and endurance. The goal of the game is to make a series of consecutive shots from designated locations on the court. To play, start with the ball near the right block and shoot a short-range jump shot or lay the ball up. Then, step outside of the arc near the corner baseline and shoot a three-point shot. If you make it, take the ball and move roughly 6 feet or so to your left and shoot another three-pointer from behind the arc. Continue this process by working your way around the three-point line and finish with a shot near the baseline on the other side of paint. Most around the world circuits include 10 shots or more. If you miss a shot, start over. You win if you make it all the way around court. You can put your own spin on the game by changing the locations of each shot as well. A lot of players will move to the free throw line or the top of the key when they get to the top of the arc, for example. So long as the locations for each shot are predetermined and you work your way around both sides of the court by hitting consecutive shots, it counts.